Error 1006 in Minecraft primarily affects players on Xbox consoles and Windows 10-11 editions. It's not a game glitch, but rather an account suspension enforced by Xbox Live for violating community standards. This typically blocks access to multiplayer modes, realms, and other online features. Common causes include cheating using unauthorized mods, griefing by destroying other players' creations, harassment, or account sharing that violates terms of service. Microsoft uses automated systems and player reports to identify violations, leading to temporary or permanent bans, with temporary bans being more common. In short, Error 1006 means your Xbox Live account has been suspended from Minecraft due to a violation of their code of conduct. While permanent bans are usually non-negotiable, temporary suspensions might be appealed. First, check the ban details by signing into account.microsoft.com/enforcement to understand the reason and duration. If you believe the ban was unjustified, submit an appeal through the enforcement site, providing evidence to support your case. You can also contact Xbox support for assistance. However, prevention is key. Avoid using cheats, report abusive behavior from other players using in-game tools. Ensure your account is secure to prevent unauthorized access that could lead to a ban. As a last resort, if unbanned, consider switching to the Java edition, which has its own moderation system independent from Xbox Live. Remember, playing fairly and following community guidelines can help avoid Error 1006 in the future.